In this video, you will learn exactly how to cloak a long and ugly affiliate link into something short using Bitly. And we can also use this tool to make a QR code for people to scan. This will significantly increase the click-through rate and help you make more money. So to start, we're gonna log into our dashboard. On top, click on Create New and click on Shorten a Link. And here we will paste in a destination URL. In this case, we are creating an affiliate link for this boot product. So for this, simply click on Easy Link, and that's going to open up a pop-up window to generate our link. Again, I have another detailed video going over how to do this, but for this example, let's hop back over to Bitly and then paste in our affiliate link right here. And here you can toggle the switch to generate a QR code. And then you can also add some UTM parameters down here for tracking purposes. But for this video, we're going to skip those and then hit Create Link. And there we go. We have our link. If we click on View Link Details, here we see the shortened link, and then you also have the QR code down here. And this is exactly how you can use Bitly to cloak a link and create a scannable QR code. If you like this video, be sure to save it and see you next time.